Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alana, and in today's video I'm going to be moving back into my car. So if you're new around here and you're like, what do you mean you're moving into your car? Check out this video here. I give you a full tour of my car. But in this video I'm going to be showing you how I pack up shop after doing a house sit. So I do live out of my car part-time, and then I do house sitting the other part of the time through Trusted House Sitters. It's an app. And if you're interested in doing house sitting yourself, I highly encourage you to check out the link down in my description. You can get 25% off your membership. And this house sit, I'm with Clover, this really sweet golden retriever. She's honestly the sweetest dog I've met since I had a golden retriever as a child. So this has been really fun hanging out. Thanks for hanging out with me, letting me love you. I'm going to be so sad to leave, but ultimately I'm excited to get back on the road. So first up, I have to do all of my laundry. Yes, I stopped petting you. I'm so sorry. I have to do all of my laundry and pack it all into this drawer system. Actually, before I get to that, first I have to clear off the bed and make room for me to dump out all of my laundry and sort through all of the clothes that I own. I think I'm just going to start by moving all of the things that aren't clothes out to the couch, and then I'll deal with it later. Ooh, that's staticky. Ooh. Oh! Could you hear that? Why is it so staticky? I'm gonna wash these sheets, so I'll just go ahead and take them off, and then that way it's easy to sort through all of my clothes on there. Hi. Don't worry, I'll wash the bottom sheet too. I just need to... I don't want to put all of my clothes on his bare bed, okay? I love you. Oh, down. You know better. The little feetsies. Yeah. You want to go play? Okay, I gotta set up the camera first. I need to move this. Hold on. Oh, down. She's down. Oh, Betty rubs. Oh, I love you. Dad would be so mad if he knew you were jumping. You want to come? Good girl. Okay, stay right there. You stay. I use this crate for everything. Oh, you look so happy. You look so happy. Oh, look at those teeth, you goober. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Oh, I can't do this one-handed. Okay. Hi, honey. Let's go. Oh. Okay, so all of my winter clothes actually go in a Tupperware container out in my car. So I'm going to set those aside and take those out later. All this big stuff. Actually, I'll probably end up wearing one of these later, but I'll get to that later. So I always try to wash all of my active wear delicate and then hang it to dry. But sometimes I'm not proactive and I forget to wash it the day before, so it's not dry, but I washed this yesterday, so it's dry. Okay, let's start with shorts. This little bag in front is all of my underwear. Yes, I have a lot. No, I don't do laundry often. There we go. If you can't yet smell the smell of the deodorant, it is clean enough to go back in the drawer. That's looking pretty empty. So in my shirts drawer, I actually put all of my non-athletic clothing in here, and then I put all of my like sports bras and workout tanks and stuff in here. So that just makes it easier when I go to the gym. I don't have to sort through this whole box. I just go here if I need a sports bra. Sad. All of my fun pants are still in the drawer, which means I haven't worn my fun pants in a while. Snack time. We've got a string cheese and some brand of yogurt that was 25 grams of protein. All right, now that I have some more energy, I think it's time to start moving some of the stuff out to my car already, and then once I get most of it out of here, I'll start doing the clean. So when I do house sitting, people are always like, oh, do you have to clean the house? I'm like, no, you don't have to do anything, but I just think it would be weird to come home and have somebody else's hair in your shower. So I usually, like, this house sit was for 2 weeks, so honestly, the only cleaning I've done is doing the dishes when I need to do the dishes. But now that I'm about to leave, I'm going to do a deep clean the stove, clean the countertops and everything, and then also clean the bathroom. But first, let's move some stuff out to my car. Do you want to help, Clover? Do you want to help? Yeah, I saw that tail move. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Come on. That's what I thought, you silly goose. Excuse you. Is there a big scary garbage truck, honey? Is there a big scary garbage truck? He's going away. Video, I'll link it in the cards here, but you'll know that there are 2 Tupperware containers underneath my bed, and this is where all of these heavy-duty winter clothes go. I think since there's so much of it out, it would just be easier to take the whole container out. Nice. Can of beans. All right. Oh. Okay. And then this second box is a little bit trickier to get to, so this is just where I shove my winter jackets. Nice. And then this one doesn't fit anywhere, so it just slides in between the two. Okay, so this is the crate that I put all of my dry food in the trunk, and I put all of the food into these paper Trader Joe bags so that when I get to a house I can just take them out, and then the crate can stay in the back of my trunk and keep the space so that the things don't shake around while I'm driving. So this is really handy. Nice. And I actually don't remember what's in these bags, so I'm going to sort them. And then these are my reusable grocery bags. I've had them forever. Don't judge, they're kind of gross, but they just slide right there. And then this is in the front of the trunk, so whenever I go grocery shopping, I just pull one out. I hate it when I can't find strangers' cleaning products. Like, I know he has to have something else besides just Clorox wipes, but there's nothing under the sink, there's nothing in the cupboard, there's nothing under the bathroom sink. So, like, I don't know where it would be, and I'm just gonna clean the sink with these. Okay? Who's out there? Who's barking? Not you. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Come here. Come here. You're Clover. Hi. I'm gonna miss you. I mean, I still have to eat dinner and shower, but like, oh. No, like. dinner? Are you hungry? Oh. No, I just want more attention. You do. You do. I adore you. Can you lean against me? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Okay, sit. Good girl. I love you, Clover. Okay. Was that delicioso, Clover? Come here. Yes. Was that delicious? Oh, now you want belly rubs? Now that your belly's full, you want belly rubs? Of course. Why not? Okay, it's 10 o'clock. The owner's supposed to get back at midnight, but he said that I'm okay to leave before that. I've been ready to go. I've just been hanging out. I'm gonna miss you so much. I know you don't understand what I'm saying, but I love you. Yeah. No, honey.